What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have another Ferrari spot. Yes, we just saw the Portasangue testing in the Maserati Levante test mule in camouflage in Poland in the snow. Well, now we have Ferrari's new hybrid hypercar in Germany, and this prancing horse is testing their new LaFerrari successor, all camoed out. Now, the Ferrari seen in Germany could be, at first glance, quite similar to the LaFerrari, but on a closer inspection, the forklift captured in these spy photos could provide the mechanical basis for what will be the new hypercar of the prancing horse. Clearly a hybrid, a car that could arrive in the next few months or probably years, perhaps concurrently with the presentation of the LMH, which will mark Ferrari's return from 2023 to the WEC and then to the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Now, nothing is known about what could be the engine actually used by this future sports car, although there are no doubts about the fact that it will be equipped with obvious forms of electrification. Certainly, it could resume details and technologies that we will review on the future hypercar destined for the return of endurance of the prancing horse. But before reaching this, they will focus on a new hypercar that could use the technology available on this forklift tested in Germany. Now, will it be the hair of the LaFerrari? Well, if you want to get technical, nothing is for sure yet. But the current bodywork shares a lot with the LaFerrari. The aerodynamic solutions used appear decidedly unprecedented, as well as the exhaust system that ends with two elements arranged centrally. Surely the new hypercar will do without showy aerodynamic appendages, but instead exploiting the effects of the bottom that ends with a large diffuser useful to manage the benefits of the ground effects in the best way possible. The management of the front section also appears new, and a new hood with new bumper air intakes, as well as the air intakes installed behind the access doors to the passenger compartment. Now, the positioning of the engine, which should maintain the central rear arrangement, will be essential. The roofline and the engine cover also appear different. In short, it is a whole different car. Now, think of the classic timing, which Ferrari will usually launch a hypercar. This novelty could come between 2022 and 2023, in line with the return to Le Mans. So with that said, all the ingredients are there. This should be the replacement to the LaFerrari, but should be is not a guarantee. So leave your theories down below. What do you guys hypothesize here? What is Ferrari testing? What are they up to with this camouflage test mule? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, we'll help get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on what could be very well Ferrari's new hybrid hypercar testing out in Germany. Now, with that said, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rides Patreon, and you can check out the Ron's Rides merch where you can get t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, coffee mugs, everything Ron's Rides there. You can also check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, see everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one Ron's Rides video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.